What's good, everybody? Thank you for tuning back in. We got something for you. It's gonna be a banger today. No, not really. We're just doing some regular shit. I'm gonna go get the mufflers done on this thing, and you guys probably have heard the car before. If this is your first time tuning in, it's a 383 stroker, 700 R4 mid-length headers. It has no cats and whatnot, but it's got these baby ass Flowmaster mufflers, and I hate Flowmasters. So on a recent trip down to LA, I found some mufflers I really like. I'll let you guys know what they are when we put them on, but so we're gonna go get those put on and we'll see what it sounds like. But I wanted to give you guys a cold start, so hold on. Alright, so we made it over to the Dunks. If you don't know who Dunk is and you're in Sacramento, then you're missing out. Dunk locker for the win. Best exhaust guy you can find. Fit you on the lift. Real hustler, certified real getter. So these are the ones we're putting on. Spintex Pro Street 9000s. Found those used. Damn near brand new. Going in the air right now. You guys heard what it sounded like before. Let's get it. Get rid of these Flowmasters, Choke Masters, go to the Spintex. Dunk just finished up. Hanged and banged. Oh yeah. New hanger. Even though it was an in and out, he still got me all right. Big time. Look at that. Precision. That's what I wanted. Just a little bit more thump in the bump. past that. I got the exhaust done, and I liked the way it sounded, but with the rolled edge tips, it made like a weird ass fluttering noise. So us three dumbasses decided to cut the exhaust off over the axle. Let's see.